Tesla has been known for its sleek, minimalist design, and a big part of that aesthetic has been its flush, often electronic door handles. They look futuristic, but they've also sparked debate, particularly around safety in emergency situations. Now, a new regulation out of China is set to fundamentally change this design, forcing a significant shift for Tesla and potentially other automakers. Starting January 1, 2027, China will implement a new safety standard that effectively bans purely hidden or electronic door handles. The mandate requires all new vehicles sold in the country to feature a mechanical release mechanism for both interior and exterior door handles. This isn't just about having a backup. It specifies that the exterior handle must provide enough space for a hand to operate a mechanical release from any angle, even after a collision or power failure. This is a direct response to concerns that in an accident, these flush handles can be difficult to locate or operate, potentially trapping occupants. And if you're keen on staying updated with how these regulatory shifts impact the global automotive industry and what they mean for the design and safety of your next EV, you'll want to make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We're constantly breaking down these crucial updates so you don't miss a beat. For Tesla, this regulation presents a unique engineering challenge. Models like the Model 3 and Model Y, which are hugely popular in China, currently rely on a design that will no longer meet these new standards. This means Tesla will need to redesign its door mechanisms to incorporate a mandatory external mechanical release. Reports suggest that Tesla's chief designer has already confirmed a redesign is in the works, indicating the company is actively addressing this requirement. This isn't just a minor tweak, it could lead to a noticeable change in the exterior appearance of these vehicles. While some automakers have already integrated mechanical backups into their flush designs, Tesla's approach has historically leaned heavily on electronics. The new rule also specifies that each door must have at least one independently operated mechanical release handle that directly opens that specific door, positioned in a clearly visible and unobstructed location. The implications extend beyond just Tesla. China is the world's largest automotive market, and its safety standards often influence global design trends. This move could prompt other manufacturers to reevaluate their hidden or electronic door handle designs, potentially leading to a broader industry shift towards more robust mechanical solutions. It highlights a growing emphasis on practical safety over purely aesthetic considerations, especially in emergency scenarios. Ultimately, this new regulation underscores the evolving landscape of automotive design, where innovation must continually balance aesthetics, technology, and critical safety requirements. It's a reminder that even the most established designs can be subject to change when new safety benchmarks are introduced. So, what does this mean for the future of car design? Will we return to more traditional door handles, or will automakers find innovative ways to integrate mechanical releases while maintaining a modern aesthetic? And how will this Chinese regulation influence design standards in other major markets? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, understand the real impact of these tech shifts, and join a community that's always in the know about the future of automotive, then hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications is your next move. Don't just watch the future unfold. Be part of the conversation.